Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is FB, that means fill in the blanks, from lesson 2 and page number 10. My dear students, today is our lecture number 2 and lecture number 3 and SW number 2. Here I have to written 2 is correctly lecture number 3 and SW number 2. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn fill in the blanks from lesson 2. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, look at the board. Today we will learn fill in the blanks from lesson 2. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have already discussed, we have already done reading from lesson 2. Now we will do exercise from lesson 2. This is fill in the blanks from lesson 2. My dear students, look at the board. Our first fill in the blanks. Allah is the dash of the world. What will be the answer? My dear students, our answer will be Allah is the creator of the world. So my dear students, now I am writing the answer. Creator, C-R-E-A-T-O-R, creator. Allah is the creator of the world. So our answer will be creator. Now my dear students, look at the 2 number fill in the blanks. He is all dash. What will be the answer? He is all. He means Allah. He is all. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, our answer will be sing. He is all sing. Now I am writing the answer. S-E-E-I-N-G, sing. He is all sing. That means Allah sings everything. He means Allah. So our answer will be he is all sing. Now fill in the blanks number 3. He has full dash of everything. He has full dash of everything. Here he means Allah. Allah has full dash of everything. What will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be knowledge. He has full knowledge of everything. That means Allah has full knowledge of everything. Now I am writing the answer. Knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G and E, knowledge. He has full knowledge of everything. So our answer will be knowledge. Now my dear students, now fill in the blanks number 4. In return for all his favors, he wants us to be dash of him. In return for all his favors, he wants us to be dash of him. What will be the answer? Our answer will be thankful. Thankful of him. Now I am writing the answer. T-H-A-N-K-F-U-L, thankful of him. Now my dear students, our last number fill in the blanks, and this is 5 number fill in the blanks. Dash gives food to every living being on the earth. We know that, my dear students. Yes, Allah gives food to every living being on the earth. In this regard, our answer will be Allah, because Allah gives food to every living being on the earth. So my dear students, our answer will be Allah. Now I am writing the answer. Allah. A double L A H. Allah. Allah gives food to every living being on the earth. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have learned today 5 fill in the blanks from lesson 2. My dear students, look at the board. Today our lecture number 3 and SW number 2. My dear students, you will make SW at your home, this 5 SW. You will make SW at your home, this 5 SW. And my dear students, you will write, fill in the blanks in this pattern. You will write full of this sentence in this pattern. You will make SW at your home in this pattern. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you must submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear students, no more today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.